Today, you are going to be participating in something called Operation Military Care. Every team is going to be getting a trivia packet. This trivia packet has 40 questions to it. Each of these that you get right is worth $1 million, which is in the form of very valuable chips. As a team, you are working on these. When you believe that you have 5 of those trivia sheets correct, one member of your team is going to come up here to the trivia checkpoint to get them checked. They will then get the corresponding millions of dollars and bring those millions of dollars back. Each team is going to be creating 2 care packages. We will start you off with an empty box, and then once you have got all of your items, we will give you your second box.
I started out about 7 years ago with a group called Support the Troops. We get together once, twice a month, put boxes together like these, fill them, and we get to send a piece of America over to our men and women that put their lives on the line every day for the freedoms like you're having in this room today. They do a lot for us. I'm a retired postmaster. I put my time into supporting the troops. These will start being sent out as early as tomorrow morning. I have names of men and women that are overseas right now, and we will send them to them. But it's something that I've got involved in, I love doing. I support veterans all the way. They deserve it. They go out there and fight for us every day. I don't think they should be over where they are sometimes, but as long as they are there, I'm going to support them. And you guys need to give yourselves a big hand for supporting them through packages like this. We really do appreciate it.